Looking for top-notch concrete repair and restoration solutions? Look no further than our complete line of RapidSet products. Whether you're tackling a major commercial, industrial, or residential project, or a smaller job, our versatile products are engineered to excel in diverse applications, ensuring you get the job done right. With RapidSet, you get speed, strength, and durability. Imagine achieving structural strength in 1 to 2 hours. That's not just fast, it's revolutionary. Breathable coatings can be applied in 3 hours and non-breathable coatings in 16 hours. Now that's fast return to service. RapidSet products provide consistent performance you and your customers can depend on. To find a product for your project needs, scan the QR code to visit the RapidSet Repair and Restoration site or request training or job site support at info@ctscement.com or call 800-929-3030.